Hi everybody, this video is about how you can use the Strategy Explorer to co-create strategies for real-life business in a virtual setting. If you want to develop strategies together with a team, the ideal solution would be to come together in a meeting room and simply start co-creating. This is even more the case when you want to use canvas methods like the Strategy Explorer, where you hang up a poster to the wall and start working on it using adhesive notes and markers. However, there are situations where face-to-face meetings are difficult to arrange or even not possible. This mainly applies to international teams and when there are travel restrictions, like during the current corona pandemic. But even under such conditions, you can work creatively and productively with the Strategy Explorer. In this video, I'm going to show you how that works. To get started, you need three things: the Strategy Explorer template, a digital whiteboard tool, and a voice channel for the discussion. And here we go. First of all, you need to download the Strategy Explorer template from the website. Don't be afraid, the website is in German, but all the relevant keywords are in English. So you scroll down on the website and you find the download section. Here you can download the template in different formats, and for our purposes I choose the A3 format. It opens up in a new browser tab, and I can use the browser functions to download the file and save it into a local directory. Now I have the Strategy Explorer template, and all I need to do is to upload it into my preferred whiteboard tool. For co-creation in the virtual space, I like to use IdeaFlip because it is easy to use and it comes very close to the real-life experience, as you can see here on the IdeaFlip homepage. What you need to do is you need to create a free trial account or sign in with your existing one. Even with the trial account, you can do everything for a limited period of time. So I sign in with my existing email and password. And here we go. First thing is I'm being requested to create a new board. And this board should be the Strategy Explorer test, and it should be an empty, so to say, plain board. I create this board now. It is light blue instead of white, and on the right hand side you find stationery in different shapes and colors. You can move that onto the whiteboard. And you can enter text into the adhesive notes. For instance, I enter my idea here in this one. And you can resize these adhesive notes, and you can rotate them and you can move them relatively to each other. The experience is very close to what you have in the real workshop room. I don't need these notes right now, so I go ahead and delete them. But what I need to do is I need to upload the Strategy Explorer onto this whiteboard. Therefore, I scroll down in the menu on the right hand side until I reach the upload section. Clicking here, I can select the file I downloaded earlier, and it will be automatically uploaded into the whiteboard. Here it is, together with a descriptive note, which I delete immediately. You can move it around, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can use that function to work on specific sections of the Strategy Explorer. Before we get to start our work, however, we should do one thing. We should resize the Strategy Explorer by making it a little bit larger. This makes sure that we have a good relative size between the template and the adhesive notes. One more thing, I double click on the template and on the lock symbol. Now the template is locked, and this avoids that I accidentally delete or move the template. Alright, we can start our work now. For instance, I can use an adhesive note and place it in the subject area on the Strategy Explorer template and enter my company as the subject of my strategy development. I can move the stickers around, I can resize them, everything works as previously shown. I can add observations, for instance here, an observation on customers. Very well, I can place that where I need to have it, I can resize it, and so on. I can zoom in if I want to have a closer look. Very well, now I need to invite my team colleagues in order to work together on this board. Therefore, I go to the Idea Flip menu and click on Invite. There are mainly two ways to invite team members into the Idea Flip board, and the easiest one is by sharing the link. Here you simply copy the link and share it by email or whatever communication tool. Alright, so far so good. There's one thing left. You need a voice channel for the discussion. For that you use your preferred video conferencing tool like Skype or Zoom or Teams, whatever you use. Now you are perfectly prepared to start your virtual Strategy Explorer workshop. However, virtual meetings can be quite exhausting. Therefore, I recommend that you split your workshop into different sessions. The Strategy Explorer process works in 6 steps over 3 phases, and this gives you an indication of how you could split the workshop into distinct sessions. If you want to learn more, have a look at the articles on the Strategy Explorer website. There are several articles that are written in English. So I wish you good luck and a lot of fun in creating your strategy with the Strategy Explorer. Go ahead!